Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Do you love the popcorn chicken? My kids love it. My friends love it too. Every time I bring it to a potluck party, it is always the hit. It is crunchy and crispy outside, tender and juicy inside. Every bite is full of perfect combination of taste and texture. In today's video, I would like to share how to make the best popcorn chicken with simple ingredients and easy cooking steps. You can get this delicious, flavorful popcorn chicken in your own kitchen in less than 1 hour. Now let's get started. The ingredients include a pound of chicken thigh or breast, 1 egg white, 1 cup of sweet potato powder, some fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, cooking oil for the frying, and pinch of salt and ground pepper. The first step is to marinate. Wash the fresh chicken meat clean. Cut into bite size, no more than 2-inch pieces. This step is to determine the taste of popcorn chicken. If you cut the chicken too big, the inside will be less flavorful. Put the meat in the bowl. Marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon ground pepper. Rub the meat with your hands to let the seasoning ingredients coat the chicken evenly until you don't see any liquid flowing around. Set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. The next step is coating. Crack an egg and filter the egg white into the chicken meat. The egg white creates a shield to lock the tenderness in. It also makes the meat more sticky for the flour coating. Mix thoroughly. Take 1 cup of sweet potato flour. Roll the chicken pieces in the flour. Or you can dump the flour in the meat bowl for faster processing. No matter which way, make sure the chicken is fully coated with the flour. Compared with all-purpose white flour, the sweet potato flour is naturally gluten-free, grain-free, add more nutrition to the recipe. The thicker particles from the sweet potato flour also help to make the popcorn chicken more crunchy, saving your extra step for bread crumbs. Separate the chicken and place them on the plate. Let it sit for around 10 minutes. Then we move on to the third step, frying. Add the cooking oil to frying pan. Medium heat on. While wait for the oil to get hot, prepare a bunch of dried basil leaves. If you want to wash the leaves like me, make sure to use the kitchen towel to dry up the washed leaves as much as you can. Throw in a few pieces basil leaves into the oil. When you see the oil is bubbling up around the leaves, the oil temperature is good. Frying the basil leaves first can add a nice and mild fresh taste to the popcorn chicken. Use a lid to avoid oil splashing if the leaves are not completely dry. Frying the leaves no more than 1 minute, then take them out. Gently slide the chicken piece by piece in the oil. Don't put too much in one batch. Make sure the meat does not stick to each other. The chicken will first sink down at the bottom. Use a strainer, slide back and forth to avoid the chicken stick to the bottom. Around 2 to 3 minutes, the chicken will crisp up and float to the top of the oil. Take them out. Use a wire mesh strainer to take out the particles floating in the oil. The first time frying is to cook the meat, and it will look like this. The color is not golden and the surface is not that crispy. I'm going to do the second fry to bring the texture and the color right. Turn the heat on high. The oil temperature gets higher. Dump the chicken in the second time. Frying with the high heat for about 5 minutes, or until the meat turns to this golden brown, beautiful color. Now take them out. The last is to dump the basil leaves in for the second time for about 20 seconds. Gently stir, then take them out. Transfer the popcorn chicken into a bowl. From the sound, you can hear the chicken is very crispy. Even the basil leaves. Sprinkle your favorite seasoning spice. I used 1 teaspoon ground pepper and 1 teaspoon chili pepper to spice it up even more. Take a bite. Very crispy and crunch on the outside, while tender, juicy, and tasty on the inside. Bring it to your party to surprise your friends, or pair it with your favorite herbal tea as your afternoon snacks. You can even eat it as your quick dinner with a plate of green salad. Versatile, quick, and easy popcorn chicken recipe everyone loves. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. You can visit my website for a print-out recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more homemade, healthy cooking videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time soon. Bye!